Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows Camera Frame Server High RAM CPU Usage Fix Windows 10, 11. First method is Rollback Camera Driver. Second method is Update Driver. Third method is Change Privacy and Security Settings. Fourth method is System Restore. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.